that shit right now.
That was a slow motion run.
Right here. Oh, hell yeah. Fuck out of here. You know what it was? Well, Davidson dropped it here and came like this.
So did Taco.
Yeah. All kinds of little rats dropped it.
Is it because they ratchet? Is it because they ratchet? Do they still do that? Hey, do they still call them that? Do they still call them ratchets? Or is that over?
They still call them Ratchet.
They're back to hoes now?
Yeah, they're being ratchets right now. They're just trying to beg.
Taco, I didn't. The camera caught that, Taco, but I didn't see that. You're all right.
Taco, what the fuck? There it go. Almost in. That rock counts. Just that one.
You guys are rotating. You haven't served. You haven't served. Cool. Guys,
Get this car.
you want to rotate it?
Fuck out of here.
That looks like a carry snap.
Trying to hit Javi, it didn't work. Can't hit me. I'll block that shit. Fucked you up earlier, Joe.
If I hit it like that, I thought you were coming up with a block.
You weren't expecting it or what? Robert, wake up. I'm gonna hit it to you.
Did that with you,
What the fuck was that? What? What the fuck was that?
How is that not over? That doesn't count as over? That's very complicated right there.
What the fuck was that?
Joseph, that was beef! Joseph! Joseph! What you did right now is called shat. You shattered on them.
Joseph, you just fucked up some homework right now.
Hey, Matthew. I caught that one, Matthew. I caught that one.
Justin, what happened? Did he do the face in your hand? No, I hit him in his hands. He's lucky, yeah? I was going right after Matthew. You lucky he saved your life. You know that? He jumped and everything.
It looked like you were going for him either way. The ball was like way down here.
What? I thought you were.
Good save, Javi. Good save, little Javi.
What was that white ball?
That was quick hands too, Sammy.
That was they scored one. I was saying you
How did
guys.
that shit all the way? How did you fucking Joseph? Did it score?
You didn't score at all?
Yeah, when I served.
Yeah, so you did score one.
When I shit
I
on
spiked
Maggie.
it and it hit the rock.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, you fuck. They shit on me. Oh, yeah.
That was my first block photo.
I saw it. That was beast.
You want that one? I'll save you. Oh! I saved you too.
Yeah, you did, Tucci.
You back in there. Oh! Get out of here! Hey, you jumped. Oh, he's sitting on your wire.
Fuck back here, Matthew.
Hey, Matthew, yeah, that was beautiful form, Matthew. That was a beautiful form. Up high and nice. You helped him, Joseph. You saved it. Javi, I got that one too.
Got scared.
Rock. You guys should let that go. No, that shit would have landed.
No, that should have landed either way.
I thought you were going to do that little... I got better. I got both you guys.
Well, that shit was way over my head.
No, she's not out here, Cindy. She's not out here. Good job, Joseph. Good job, Joseph. That was a good save. Whenever you're ready.
We got 8.
The boys know you punk me.
Oh, we got 4. I got 4.
We're all
How come Steven's not here? Is it with his current girlfriend?
Yeah.
The same one from before?
Yeah, one go. Put your hair, hit that shit.
Oh, shit off my.
You don't put your hand out if you want. Yeah, that's what I do. Give me the ball, Matthew, I'll score.
You just go on top of it. What's that? 9 what? 9-5.
Ooh! Fuck! I hope I got that. I hope I got that one. Joseph, Joseph, you gotta put it up high, mijo.
No, Joseph, say that shit. 5'8" still.
You guys can ball hug.
Is that 9? Okay, 5'9", 5'9".
Yeah. Who's going to talk?
Fuck out of here. 6'9", 6'9".
What was that right now?
Hey, can this go on kick?
7'9". Yeah.
How long can it be? Huh?
7'9".
Sammy, I saw that one. The camera get it, Sammy. That's another one.
8'9". Oh, 9'9".
Shit on you guys again.
What's up? Quit picking on Robert's car. Quit picking on Robert's car.
up right now.
Robert's your friend. You shouldn't do that to him.
My 2 bad bitches.
They make you the money. Those are the ones that are making the most money. That's why.
You ruined my run.
Hey, today's Wednesday, right? Good shot, Javi. Good job, Joseph. Good job. Finish it, Javi. Yep. I don't know, mijo. But this is a good rally right here, though. Beast rally right here.
Oh, shit. Look. Oh!
Hey, good hustle, Taco. Good hustle, Taco. Good hustle. That was legit. That was legit.
Have you guys been here? When did you guys start playing?
They've been here forever. I just got here about 20, 30 minutes ago.
When we started texting you about an hour ago.
I left my phone here.
Well, go over the city, man.
You're scared. You didn't want to face it. That's why.
Run, Javi, run.
Matthew must he must have a six-pack. That's why he hits it so hard. Yeah. Let's see it.
Hey, we pretending that kid is here. Text message.
I left my phone here.
Hey, my shit was charging.
Hey, how
Plug
are you
it.
kicking us?
I wasn't kicking you guys. Unless someone hacked me.
They do that sometimes, these fuckers.
Fuck, man. What the fuck was that? 10-9, 10-9.
What are you homies doing, Wayne?
In the back. I told him I want to play volleyball before it gets dark. We're going swimming.
Are they for the guys? Nah, if you told them about the pool since earlier, they're probably like,
Yeah, I told him
Yeah.
earlier.
I wouldn't want to do anything right now but swim. I swam earlier too at Cheney's.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I didn't know no one was here because I left my phone here charging.
They said they do this every day.
They say like,
Fuck out of here.
maybe like 3-4 times a day. I mean, a week.
Sorry, Joe.
I thought you guys were playing about that. I didn't think you guys really got together and
Then
played.
when I'd call you, I'd be serious.
I mean, no, I thought you were trying to get it going. I didn't know that you already had it going. I know that no matter what, there was going to be a game anyway.
No, when we call you guys, it's like, we're already ready.
I will come next time for sure.
Oh, she got scared.
So Taco rides his bike up here?
Yeah, where's it at?
I don't know.
Hey,
Maybe
Eduardo,
didn't
did you
you?
ride your bike up here today?
Nah. Joseph, you gotta hit that. Put that right over you. Jump.
Yeah, Joseph, just try anyway. Try anyway. Every time, Joseph, go for everyone.
Back up.
How long can a video be on kid? How long can does it have to be, or how short does it have to be?
We go on for a while, just as long as if it sends. Like, cause
Good job, don't do shit on Bxtch. 12-11.
if you, I don't know, if you don't have reception and it's long, it won't stand. But if you have like,
No, I can do it at my house from Wi-Fi. I can do it at my house with Wi-Fi.
you want to come too?
But you Kiko will accept it?
Yeah, Kiko will accept it.
No matter how long it is.
Okay, Taco's gonna shit on Robert right now. Watch.
I'll wait for him.
Robert, I'm taking your spot.
Hey, just go. We're not waiting for fucking Robert test. Ah, see? Oh, fuck.
Who wants it?
Joseph, you need some wipies, Joseph. You need some wipies.
Hey, Joseph, fuck you guys up. Bitch, did you even jump?
No, I didn't expect that. I seen that shit. I seen that murder.
You were scared. Like this.
I seen that murder coming.
Hey, we should we should make that put it on shoes. That'll be famous. That pose he did right now.
Do it, man.
Yeah. Air Joel. We'll call it, yeah.
Air Joel.
12-11 still? Yeah. Shit on that for one.
Yeah, hit it over. Hit it over. Ah! I was just thought you were going for it.
I did look like
Mosa, where's Chucho? Where's Chucho, Mosa? Where's Chucho?
Mosa, where are you hiding at? They're gonna find you for an hour right now.
He was about to pool.
Talking to them guys. Those guys, we get about his friends over. It's over.
13-11.
Where are they?
In the house.
13-11.
In the living room.
House somewhere?
The living room.
What are you doing? You fuck every
Mosa, where's Chucho? Where's Chucho?
Mosa!
Chucho!
Who's winning?
Hi, Mommy.
Who's winning?
Us.
What's the score?
Don't trip, fool. If you're playing, you're no.
I want to play.
Go, we wait for Bxtch. Waiting for his ass.
Good job, Joe.
Hey, she came up on the phone. Is that your phone, Javi?
Baby hobby.
Block him.
Hey, I don't know how you guys play it so much. The thing is so small.
Your memory's gonna run out.
No, it's not.
Maybe, son.
Hey, Javi, why can't you guys put this in the driveway? Because you guys usually dive like towards the back, no?
That's kind of off.
Oh, because it's off. It's not level.
Yeah.
That was a fucking scary.
That was a throw.
What the?